Hello, I'm Roberto Rodriguez, and my partner is Bohn, and we are here working on the Embedded Project 2 sensor and weather project. So first, we're going to go over the things from first let's go over the sensor, the proximity sensor and the ambient light sensor. So right now, it is at its full brightness. The screen right now is at its full brightness because it's receiving the most amount of light. And then depending on how we shade it, you can see it gets darker depending on how much light is available. And you see it's slightly dimmer, slightly brighter, and then it goes back to its peak. And also if you cover your finger or cover anything over the sensor, it turns off and it turns back on. Okay, so now to go over the UI, you can see we have the Fahrenheit, the low temperature, the high temperature, and the city we're currently in, along with the time after every time it refreshes. Here we can see the F to C, which means Fahrenheit to Celsius. Right now we're currently in Fahrenheit, and once we click the button, it will transition over to Celsius. And we're over here, we also have the zip code. And over here you can just see just switched over to where you want to go. So let's go to this zip code, just one over. And oh, looks like that wasn't really a zip code. Let's go to 922. Whoops. 0 3. And we move over to India with 20 degrees Celsius over there. And now to go over the sensor page. If I can hit it. Okay. So right here, it gives us the local weather, the temperature in Celsius, and the humidity. And this is all being picked up from this sensor over here, the SHT40 sensor. And we can see this working whenever we, Zach, if you will, blow on the sensor to give it a different humidity. We can see it's sort of changing. And it will receive updates. Now it's up to 81. And as Zach doesn't blow on it,
or if I blow on it really cool,
it will start to go down. We also have a live update for that sensor page. It will refresh every time. And yeah, and that is the most of the UI. We also have the live button up there, so you know that it is live.
Did you get Fahrenheit to Celsius?
I did.
Perfect.
All right, and that is it for our UI.